everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit photo on Snapseed. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open your Snapseed app, which can be downloaded through App Store. Click on the plus sign which is on the middle of the screen, which will allow you to access your gallery. Select any of the photo that you would like to edit. To edit a photo in a Snapseed, there's a different ways by using your filters, your looks, your grunginess, your softness, brightness, and everything else. You can change it. So gradually we are going very slowly here. So first thing, when you enter this, here is the screen. In the bottom side you can see three different options, that is looks, tools, and then export. When you click on looks, there are different filters that can be really interesting to use in a photo, like different things. I think my favorite is this pop. So if you want to change this look, then you have to click on the tick mark which is on the bottom right corner. So in similar way, there are many things to do. When you go to tools, there are different types of tool that you can change the photo and edit like this. You can increase or decrease brightness, contrast, saturation, ambience, highlight, shadow, warmth, different things. So in the similar ways, there are details, there's sharpness and structure, then curves, white balance, crop, rotate, perspective, expand, selective, brush, healing, and many more. If you want the detailed information about all of these tools, you can visit our channel. We have some videos related to these tools in our channel, so you can check it out. And to export, in the bottom left corner you can see there's export, and then you can even share it and open in any of the browsers. You can save it, or you can save a copy of it, or even you can export it. So that is how you do it, and that is how you can edit photo on Snapseed. Thank you so much for watching till the end. That is all for today. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.